The All Progressive Congress (APC) in the Delta North Senatorial District has declared its full support for the creation of Anioma State, proposed to become the sixth state in Nigeria's southeast geopolitical zone. This is what we Anioma people need. We need full support for the creation of Anioma State. APC Delta North Senatorial District showed full support for Anioma State and its southeast zoning. The ruling party in Delta State are in support of Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. When we say Anioma State is a done deal, make person no dey argue am. There are some politicians in this Anioma that don't want Anioma State to be in southeast, and that's because they are sharing the money that is being gotten from the crude oil in Okwane land with some other politicians in the south. They know say if Anioma State join southeast, say those their colleagues where all of them they share the crude oil money, no go they share that money again. Those colleagues hand go come out from the crude oil where they Okwane land. Imagine you follow person from another tribe where they south, they share resources, money where they Anioma land. That is the reason why they don't want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast, but they will all fail. Anioma is Igbo speaking territory, Igbo speaking states. That is why Anioma State will be zoned to the southeast. Why is it that some prominent politicians from this Anioma land are not making any statement regarding this Anioma State agitation and its southeast zoning? Politicians like Dr. Ifeanyi, what are you saying concerning the creation and zoning of Anioma State to the southeast? Because since the start this thing, you never make any speech concerning Anioma State. Abi, the agitation for Anioma State dey vex you. Abi, dey vex you say not be you the champion am. Abi, dey vex you say if Senator Ned won't actualize Anioma State and the southeast zoning, say Anioma people will recognize him as the father of Anioma State. If, for example, say the reason why you never talk concerning Anioma State and say it dey vex you, mind you that if Anioma State is being actualized, that you, a politician, you can still contest to be the governor of Anioma State. You can still contest to be the senator representing Ika people. Not to say, because of say, na Senator Nenwoko go be the father of Anioma State, make I not support Anioma State. It's very bad in case you dey do that thing. It's expected of you, Dr. Ifeanyi, to at least support wetin Senator Nenwoko dey do. If, for example, say he get beef between the two of una, we are talking about the future of Anioma people. Let's get Anioma State first. If you get any issue where una get, that one na una own. Support Anioma State. Let's get Anioma State and join our Southeast brothers. You, Dr. Ifeanyi, some years ago, you said that you are an Igbo man in a live interview. So, Ibad say, you, Dr. Ifeanyi, they are against the actualization of Anioma State and its southeast zoning. Make you not be say the Igbo where you talk say you be now just to get the votes of the southeast for your vice presidential campaign. In order to get the vote of the southeast, you can't begin to talk say you be Igbo man. Make you not be say now what you do be that. So Dr. Ifeanyi, support the creation of Anioma State. Make a speech. You are a politician. If we get Anioma State, you will benefit more. All those people from Anioma that are saying that they want Anioma State to remain in south, they don't want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. Majority of them that I know are supporting you, Dr. Ifeanyi. You can't be say your followers, people where they follow you, people where they support you for this Anioma, they are supporting you against Senator Ned Nwoko. And that is politics. Wetin your oga hate, now you go hate. Whether your oga dey wrong or he dey right, their followers go dey follow that their oga. If you, Dr. Ifeanyi, talk say you support Anioma State and the southeast zoning, you go see say all those people where they talk say they don't want to make Anioma State join southeast, they go start to dey support the creation of Anioma state and the southeast zoning. So you get influence on those people wey dey talk say they no wan join southeast. It's just politics that you are playing. Last if we get this Anioma state consonant to southeast now, you go still come out come contest for election. Those people now where they talk say we are not Igbo people, we don't want Anioma state to join the southeast, they go start to enjoy the Anioma state last. That time they will now be seen as fools, because fight where you dey fight with Senator Ned Nwoko, them too take am personal. They forget say you be politician. Say if we get Anioma state, you will enjoy it more because you fit be governor, you fit be senator, you fit occupy any position for Anioma land. So Anioma politicians should support the agitation of Anioma state and the southeast zoning. Make una not talk say because you and this politician una not like each other, una dey fight each other, you can't dey fight wetin Igbo nation wants the most. Anioma state is for the future of Anioma people, the future of our unborn generation. Politics is a very bad game, but so many citizens of Nigeria don't know it. Some of them go follow politician, they fight this battle. They don't know say the politician is only doing that thing for his pocket, not for their sake. But those people wey not get sense, where poverty mindset don't chop their brain, they go follow a politician. They fight an unjust battle. They fight a failed mission. They fight battle where they no go ever win. If you be from Anioma, say they get issue with Senator Ned Nwoko, stop fighting Anioma state creation. Wait, make we get Anioma state first. The problem of Anioma people is Anioma people, not the federal government of Nigeria. Because so many Anioma people, they not get vision. They not they see beyond waiting they go get from politicians. They not care whether they're poor. They not care whether they don't get sense. They not care whether they don't they benefit. But they just they follow politicians like zombie. If you can one more or yawa. We are here to tell our people the facts. We are not here to deceive our people. Oh, God, line bundi Anioma maka inacho. I not like Senator Ned Nwoko because of it. I will not support Anioma state. Your pikin not get work. Road you not get for your village. No lights, no company, no industry, nothing. Because you not like Senator Ned Nwoko, you not go support Anioma state. Ozwai, you don't have sense. Ozwai, you don't have sense. You can't say because you not like Tinubu, say you know go support Anioma state where Tinubu won't give us. Tinubu they rule Nigeria anyhow. This Anioma state way they do. We don't want Anioma state. Make Tinubu come apologize to us first before we go support Anioma state. That is what you people are still doing to Senator Ned Nwoko. With the right petition to remove Senator Ned Nwoko, you know go another term for this senator seat where in this so. Person we won't give una Anioma state where una go benefit from. Where una go get three senators every region. Where Anioma go get 6 representatives. Anioma go get young governor. Anioma go dey manage your resources. Una say no. Say una want remove person when they agitate for Anioma state. People that don't have sense. People will not get sense. E bad say person they want liberate you from bondage. Person they want liberate you from poverty. Person they want give you good life. You dey fight that person because of politics. You dey fight that person because you no get sense. The politicians kept you in poverty in order to exploit you, because they know say if they give you small change, you go collect and do nonsense. You go collect and they support them. Anioma people be wise, support Senator Ned Nwoko. The problem with black people be say they not get agenda. They not know what they want. That is why Africa is still backward. We don't want Anioma to be backward. For Anioma to develop, we want to coexist with our Southeast brothers. For them to come and invest. For us to know what they know. For us to learn what they learn. Make we be like them. Make we develop like them. That is what we need. Not we want Anioma state to be in the South-South. What are we benefiting in South-South? Nothing. Instead, the politicians in the South-South are milking the crude oil in Okwane land to enrich themselves. Why? Okwane land is the poorest Igbo region in Delta states. Not be federal government keep on like that. Now politicians where they be South-South with all those politicians where they control our resources. Now then keep Okwane land like that. They keep telling Okwane people, you people are not Igbo people, in order to keep you isolated, in order to keep you as a minority, to exploit you. You know what I'm saying? For them to take your resources, they will divide una. Make una they feel say una be enemies with una Southeast brothers, so that una voice go dey low. So that if una they cry, nobody go hear una. If better say you embrace your Igbo identity, whether they marginalize you, than say you don't see not be Igbo person, yet they see they marginalize you. Ukwan is the biggest Igbo speaking region in Delta State. Ukwan land is bigger than Oshimiri and Anancha land. Ukwan land is bigger than the entire Ika land. Yet, now we poor pass for Delta State. Now Ukwan people suppose they support this Anioma State and the Southeast zoning for us to coexist with our brothers. If somebody from Ika Delta say not be Igbo person, you Ukwan person, no they follow them, they propagate that thing. In region better pass your own. You have nothing yet. Now your voice that they hear pass. Empty drum where they make loudest noise. I'm so happy that APC, Delta North Senatorial District, are in full support of Anioma State. This shows that we Anioma people that want Anioma State to be actualized and zoned to the southeast, we have the upper hand. Those people that want to remove senatorial Woko from Senate, they are wasting their time because it will never work. Let them go and spend their money in court. After they spend it, they will come back in shame. Anioma State is a go. Congratulations to the Igbo unification movement. Congratulations to Senatorial Woko. Congratulations to Igbo nation. Anioma is coming home. Igbo Bofu. Ishieware.